Hi friends, in this session we are going to learn what is enum or enumerated data types. So far we have seen variety of predefined data types such as int, float, double character, string, boolean, any, etc. Those are holding some specific type of values. Let me declare a int a of type int which is holding value 10. There is some range here. It can hold minus somewhere around 3,456 something to plus 3,467 something. Around it is actually 2 power 16, 2 power 15. 2 power 15 to minus 2 power 15 to 2 power 15 minus 1. Actually, there is some limit here. Like let's say minus 3,456 to plus 3,460. This is not actual value. So there is some limit actually. Actually, in C language, this is the limit. 3546 something. Basically, it is actually here integer takes 4 bytes. Anyways, it takes some values, integer values, and let a bool is true is boolean, which is holding only two values, true or false. Similarly, I want to save branches. Let's say in bachelor degree engineering or BTech, I want to save branches. There are a couple of branches. Let's say CEC, CSC, IT, ECE, mechanical, civil. These are a couple of branches. Okay. To save these, we do not have any data type. Actually, either you need to use string, otherwise there are no data types to hold direct raw values. Okay. Here, let me declare a branch. A student type string. Let a branch, a student branch, which is again string. Here I am putting CSC. Let B student is a type string. Let B student B branch B student branch, which is again string here. Here it is ID. I just want to compare these two branches. These students branches are belong to same branch or not. These students are belong to same branch or not. How to check? Or else I just want to check B and its branch is IT or not. What we need to do? B branch. B branch. Double equal to IT. A and ID belongs to IT. Similarly, assume that this is civil. I just want to check if a student branch a branch equal to civil. Print. Let's run it. Okay, DNAD belongs to IT, that is printed. Actually, a branch which is civil, we are comparing with the civil, but it is not printed. The reason here is typing mistake. Okay, here we have lowercase letters. Here we are having capital case. As a developer, I simply thought that civil and civil, just put civil, and I thought that this is correct. But it is actually wrong. Because the reason here is we are comparing lowercase civil with the uppercase civil. There are chances of errors. So here we are having limited values here. To store our limited values, so we can create our own data type. We can create our own data type. This is where exactly we use enums. Similarly, we are having weekdays. Weekdays is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. There are limited values. To hold the limited values, limited set of values, to hold limited set of values, if you want any separate data type, you can create your own data type or custom data type by using enum. Here I'm having branches. Branches are maximum of 10 branches. Okay. Here in also there is a range, some minus so and so value to plus so and so value. Even for the float also there is some range. Here Boolean is also having only two values range. Here I'm having 5 values. So by using these 5 values, I can create one enum branch. Branch is CSC. Right. CSC. Case IT. Case PCE. Case mechanical. Case. Basically, what we did here is this is called data type, enumerated data type, which is holding some values. What is the purpose of an enum? Enum is to create custom data type where we specify values which the variable can hold. Enum is used to create custom data type to hold specific values. Here, instead of writing civil here, I am creating, let me be a branch, right? Instead of that, I can use branch. How to access the values? Branch dot civil. Here, the data, instead of creating string variable, I am creating branch variable. How do we access the values? Branch dot IT. Here I am comparing branch. Okay, A branch, B branch, like I can compare branch dot IT. If he belongs to IT, here branch dot civil. There are no chances of typing mistake. There are no chances of typing mistake. Now you see two values are printed, two statements are printed. Let me show you one more example. Enumerated data types defines enumerated data types are user defined data types. User can as a developer, we can create our own data types. Enumerated data types holds user specified values. Here we are creating the data type. We are also specifying the values. Other than this, if you put anything, let's say, let me create one more variable. Let us see branch. If you give branch aeronautical, it is not giving. It is not populating because only the branch can hold only user defined values. Non-user defined values are not stored, are not held by the branch or held by the enum data type. Only if you see here, only these values you can store: civil, IT, CSC, ECE, mechanical. Only these values you can hold by using the given branch here. Syntax. Enumerated data types are defined by using keyword called enum. Like enum, new data type. In our case, I am declaring branch and values, case value 1, value 2, value 3, and so on. Example, enum, weekday. Weekday only 5 weekdays, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Weekends. We can also declare by separating commas: Sunday, Saturday. enum month, January, February, March, April, and so on, December. You can also assign some values to the enum if you want. Okay, in that case, what we need to do, we need to specify here the type, what type of value the cases can hold. Enum month, the cases which holds integers, so I have given int here. This is how exactly we use here. Func get name by day. I have declared a method which is taking one enum data type, which is enum variable, weekday enum variable, and I'm using switch statement here. I'm comparing that and returning a string get day name. If weekdays are not matching, not a weekday, I'm putting not a weekday. This is how exactly we use enum. Simply, enum is to declare user-defined data type, and so also values the variable can store.